Starting a community garden is a rewarding and impactful endeavor that brings people together to cultivate green spaces, promote healthy lifestyles, and foster a sense of community. Community gardens not only provide fresh produce but also create opportunities for social interaction, education, and collaborative efforts. If you're interested in starting a community garden, this guide will provide you with the essential steps and considerations to turn your vision into a thriving reality. The first step in starting a community garden is to identify the purpose and goals behind it. Determine whether the garden will focus on food production, beautification, education, or a combination of these elements. Consider the needs and interests of the community, such as providing access to fresh, affordable produce or creating a space for cultural exchange. Next, find a suitable location for your community garden. Look for available plots or vacant land in your neighborhood, such as unused parks, school grounds, or private properties with willing owners. Ensure the location receives an adequate amount of sunlight and access to water sources. Check local regulations and obtain necessary permits or permissions for gardening activities. Starting a community garden requires a collaborative effort. Reach out to individuals, local organizations, schools, or businesses who share your enthusiasm for the project. Establish a team of passionate volunteers interested in gardening, landscaping, community outreach, or fundraising. Create a shared vision and assign specific roles and responsibilities to ensure efficient management. Develop a comprehensive plan and design for your community garden. Consider the garden layout, plot sizes, pathways, seating areas, and any additional amenities like composting bins or rainwater collection systems. Encourage input from community members to create a space that reflects their needs and preferences. Seek advice from experienced gardeners or horticulture experts for guidance on plant selection and garden management. Community gardens often require financial resources to cover various expenses such as tools, equipment, water supply, and soil amendments. Explore funding opportunities through grants, local government programs, crowdfunding platforms, or partnerships with businesses or non-profit organizations. Seek donations of gardening tools, seeds, or other necessary resources from community members or local businesses. An integral part of a community garden is active community engagement. Host informational sessions, workshops, or gardening classes to educate community members about the benefits of gardening, sustainable practices, and nutritional awareness. Encourage diverse participation and provide opportunities for individuals to contribute their skills, knowledge, and time to the garden. Organize events, harvest celebrations, or workdays to build relationships and foster a sense of ownership within the community. Starting a community garden has numerous benefits, ranging from enhancing food security and promoting environmental sustainability to fostering social connections and improving the overall well-being of the community. Remember, a community garden is a collective effort, and its success relies on the active involvement and support of passionate individuals who share a common vision of creating a greener, healthier, and more connected community. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.